If your team's still spending hours pulling reports, that's time you're not getting back. Meanwhile, your competitors are using Gen AI to get answers in seconds, not waiting around for last week's numbers. We've been helping companies find the right software since 1996, but the demand for generative tools like Copilot Studio is unlike anything we've seen. Since Microsoft's earliest Copilot rollouts, we've been evaluating which AI tools actually improve ERP workflows, like faster reporting, and which ones are just window dressing. That's why today, I'm going to walk you through how your team can use Copilot Studio to build and deploy an AI sales assistant, one that delivers instant answers from your own data without writing code or waiting on IT. Hi, I'm Jeff Pudiak with Software Connect. Let's set the scene. Copilot Studio is Microsoft's no-code platform for building business-ready AI agents. And the great thing is, you don't need to be a developer or bring in an outside consultant. Your own business analyst or department leads can build these fast. No coding required. Think of it as giving your organization an AI chief of staff, someone who can deliver sales snapshots, pipeline breakdowns, or risk alerts, all in plain English at any time you ask. The result? Your department heads get the numbers they need to act faster and get you focused on strategy instead of troubleshooting spreadsheets. Here are the basic steps to creating an agent. Define your goal and use case, instruct and customize your agent, add and prepare your data source, and refine and deploy your agent. If you're looking for quick results, honestly, the easiest way to get started is just to have your team pick one of the preloaded templates. All it takes is a click on New Agent, and suddenly you've got a whole gallery of ready-made options for all sorts of business needs. Website Q&A, IT help desk, and even more niche ones for government or HR. Let's say you need financial insights. There's a template for that. Perfect if you want a quick read on all your company's financial docs. Your staff can just grab it, give it a name, and they're basically halfway done. And here's what makes it so easy. Those templates already come with descriptions and suggested instructions filled in. I always tell leaders, have your analysts give that language a quick once-over just to be sure it fits what your business needs. They can adjust the description and set who the agent's for, maybe your finance team or department heads. By default, the Financial Insights template already includes the SEC as a knowledge source. That way, the agent can reference public filings like 10Ks, earning reports, and insider activity. And if you have internal models like board summaries or monthly forecasts, you can upload those directly here too. You can also use real-time connectors with apps like Salesforce and Excel to pull enterprise data. One tip you don't want to miss: before you hit create, make sure your folks check those default instructions. You want everything to match your company's policies, especially if you're dealing with sensitive or financial data. Have them add a note about confidentiality and make sure the agent isn't set to give advice or forecast beyond what's in your uploaded data. Once that's sorted, your analyst can upload whatever reports or summaries you want the agent to reference. After that, it's all about testing. See how the agent handles questions and refine as you go. If you're still wondering how AI-powered reporting can actually work for your business, or you just want to skip the guesswork, let's talk. My team at Software Connect specializes in helping leaders find the right tools to get business outcomes that you care about. No more wasting time on tech that doesn't deliver. Head to softwareconnect.com and let us know your biggest reporting pain point. We'll help you find the fastest path to real results. Now, let's talk about building a Copilot agent from scratch. The whole process is surprisingly accessible. In fact, I found it pretty similar to creating a custom GPT in ChatGPT. So first things first, have your team create a new agent. All they need to do is click Create, give it a name like Sales Analytics Assistant, pick a language, and that's it. The foundation's there. Then Copilot Studio will ask you what you want the agent to do. You want to have your analyst type something straightforward like, "This is a Sales Analytics Assistant for our company." The platform's going to prompt for more details, so here's where it helps to set the tone. Tell your folks to have the agent only use sales data they uploaded. Focus on surfacing trends that actually matter to leadership, and always keep things clear and to the point. No jargon, just easy to understand summaries and numbers. And if there's an estimate, have the agent flag it. And if it doesn't have enough info, it should say so. No guessing. And don't worry if the agent's first answers aren't quite right. You can encourage your analyst to keep refining the instructions. And that back and forth is completely normal and actually makes the agent better over time. Once those instructions are set, it's time for your staff to upload the data. And that's as simple as adding the latest sales spreadsheet. If you want to get fancy, you can connect other sources like Dynamics, but a spreadsheet is all you need to get started. Here's a tip that'll save you time later. The cleaner the spreadsheet, the better the results. Ask your analyst to make sure columns are labeled. Things like rep name, deal stage, and amount. It just makes everything smoother. The agent's only going to use the data you give it, which is important for accuracy. and for privacy. Only people who have access to that data will see the answers, so your sensitive info stays locked down. And if you update your sales report every week, just have your sales staff upload the new version so you're always working with the latest numbers. Then comes the fun part, testing. Have your analysts ask the agent the kinds of questions you'd bring up in the next management meeting. Stuff like, who's the top performing sales rep this week? Or what's the total value of deals in the pipeline by region? Your agent will give you real answers pulled straight from your data, so you're not digging through spreadsheets or waiting for reports. Just make sure whatever you want to analyze is actually in the uploaded file. And here's something everyone needs: confidence that AI isn't just making things up. I always suggest asking about a name that's not in your data, like, how many deals has John Doe closed? If there's no John Doe, Copilot Studio just tells you straight up, John Doe hasn't closed any deal this month according to your data. It'll even tell you who does show up, so you know the results are based only on your actual numbers. That's really all there is to it. With just a few steps, your staff can build an AI sales assistant that delivers clear, executive-ready answers only using your business's real data. AI features like Copilot Studio are everywhere right now. But let's be real, a lot of them are either mislabeled or just don't live up to the hype. So I'm curious, does Copilot hit the mark for you, or is there one thing that you wish an AI agent would actually do better when it comes to reporting and forecasting? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what's still missing for you. And as always, hit us up at softwareconnect.com for free ERP software demos and recommendations. That's it for now. See you next time.